them never do them work. 3 little innocent fishermen in a them house. Them go in there and murder them. CJ, Faulkner, Max, Turner, Tinado, Morgan. When them kill them, them draw them out like dead dog, shoot them in the vehicle gone. We have to ask the brother them in the house, them could have bother brother them ball out, they would have murder them. Yes. So them have to hide from the police them. 3 innocent youth. You're not supposed to go into the innocent youth house, go kill them like that. Yes, a law, you carry them in.
All when them a beg for them life.
All when them a beg for them life, carry them in.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to kill them like that. We are our parents. Come on. When people dead down here, are the worst thing ever happened down here. 3 little baby.
What are the age of the person?
19-year-old. 19. 3 19-year-old baby. 3 19-year-old baby.
What are the police saying though?
About shootout.
The matter about shootout, there is no shootout. There is no shootout. Yeah, them take up all the spent shell them off of the scene. There's no shootout because we live like a matches box. We not far, we not the far yes to downtown. 1 house on the right, 1 on the left, 3 in the middle. So we tell us so we close.
And a youth what we know.
A youth when me grow in my hand. And last night you see them a seaside. Faulkner boat up on the seaside. Faulkner boat up on the seaside figure no donate to the engine my weapon figure see. Faulkner boat up on the seaside. It's not a bad youth, them they don't have no bad reputation.
Good boy then.
No bad reputation. When they say we come out, we are bleed.
True man.
We are to bleed for the local youth.
Some residents of RAE Town in Kingston on Sunday protested after police fatally shot 3 young men in the community. According to residents, the men are fishermen, and they were killed innocently by police. The shooting happened early in the morning. The police have released the names of the 3 deceased men, who have been identified as Carlo Faulkner, otherwise called CJ, from Paradise Street, Andre Max Turner from John Street, and Shahid Morgan, also called Tinadu, also from John Street. The men are all said to be aged 19 years. One of the deceased. Police said a Taurus 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 12 rounds, and an Arcus 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 5 rounds, were seized following the shooting incident. Reports indicate that the police went to the community after the reported robbery of 3 cellular phones and cash from 2 men and 2 women by 2 gunmen along Michael Manley Boulevard near the RAE Town fishing village. The robbery reportedly occurred at around 4:15 a.m. Another of the deceased. Following the robbery, a report was made to the police, and law enforcers reportedly tracked one of the stolen phones to a premises on Paradise Street in RAE Town. One of the robbery victims was escorted to the premises, where one of the alleged robbers was pointed out. The police reportedly entered the premises and were fired upon. Following an alleged shootout and a subsequent search of the area, the 3 men were found suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. The 3rd deceased. They were transported to the Kingston Public Hospital, KPH, by the police, where they were all pronounced dead. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has started a probe of the incident.
Our focus at the moment has been on gunmen, guns, and gangs. We are going to continue that focus because this is at the heart of the biggest problem that this country faces. For decades, our people have been killed by these gunmen, and they get lost in the discussion around these killings. It's important that we as the JCF put them into sharp focus. These homicides that they do, these murders, don't occur as a phenomenon. They are done by people who are carrying high-powered weapons and are using them on their fellow gang members, on members of the public, on their own families at times, and they have no qualms about using it on the police.